Hey, welcome back, my amazing student. So in this lecture, we're gonna learn how to pass data between pages. And this is super simple using Flask. Let me show you real quick. I'm just gonna create another route here. Now, this is gonna be a very short lecture, by the way, guys. Let's go ahead and copy that one out. We have the form. Let me go ahead and do this right below here. As a matter of fact, let me just copy this one. Right here, I'm going to expect a user and the name. And we're just gonna leave this way here, and we're just gonna change the function name to user. All right. And then I'm going to, instead of rendering a string, I'm gonna render the template. I'm gonna return the template. And we're gonna create a file. We don't have it yet. It's gonna be called user.html. And let's go ahead and do that right now. So inside the templates folder, I'm gonna create this other file called user.html. And in here, I'm just gonna write something like hello, right? So in order for me to pass data between pages, we need to pass a second parameter here to this function. A second argument. So I'm going to say, well, I'm expecting a username, and the value is going to be whatever I have in my GET request, right? So simple as that. And let me just put this all together here, best practice. And let's go back into the user.html. And here, all I have to do is display this with Jinja, right? So we do this with using two curly braces on each side, and we are expecting a username, just like that. Remember, this is what we got right here, okay? This becomes the variable on the other side, and this becomes the value, of course, that we're bringing in from the GET request. So now, if I go in here, and I type in user, and I say the user is TPM, and I press enter, it says hello TPM, right? And we can verify that we are actually here by saying hello. This data is being passed, just like that. And now we refresh, and you can see now that that is the data being passed right here, right? Enter, and you can see that there. Really awesome, really simple to do it with Flask. You do yourself a favor and learn this framework so that way you can build really awesome web applications with Python. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to share it with your loved ones. Guys, remember, we're trying to create an army here of people with Python knowledge so that way we can change the world little by little, right? Just keep being consistent. And, you know, I mean, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to change the world little by little, but maybe you're trying to get a job, maybe you're trying to get a career, and that's great. And, you know, and that's the first step, having some type of funds, right, to survive and to thrive as well later on. As much, guys, the more you learn technology, the more you learn Python, the more your life will change in time. Believe me, it happened to me, it can happen to you. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. And I'll see you on the next lecture. Be consistent.